This is a serious point today. We're talking about safety data sheets. So you probably already know about them, and there's a few areas in a safety data sheet. There's usually 16 sections to look out for, but we're looking particularly at 2, 4, and 8. So these are there to protect us and so that we know what's happening with the product that we're using. At the moment, we're using, I think it's 12 products, including the oven cleaner. So I'll quickly go through some of those today. And section 2 on a material safety data sheet, and every chemical that's sold in Australia comes with one of these, and it has to be available to you, and it needs to be less than 5 years old as well. So section 2 is about the hazard of the product, and what can happen to you if it causes injury. Section 4 is the first aid, and section 8 is how to protect yourself from getting injured to start off with. So let's go through some of the products now, and I'm just going to hold them all up. I may not have them all here, but you'll probably be very familiar with them. And we're still in development. We're getting all the labels fixed up as well. So we're starting off with Tempo, the floor cleaner, and that gets diluted probably 500 to 1 at the moment for our floors. This one here is called Tile Plus, and that would have some improved labeling as well. Tile Plus is one of the very serious, more dangerous products. It's just the same as your oven cleaners, sodium hydroxide. We've got Morning Fresh. We all know about dishwashing detergent. We've got Triclinium. Now this is one that you probably don't know about. Triclinium is used to help wash walls. And this is our new rollout. We've got Olympic Clean. And you'll find that with all our products, you will need to wear goggles and our nitrile gloves. We've got Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and that needs a label too. So here's our goggles and here's our gloves. So with every product, that's what's required. We have isopropyl alcohol, and I was actually going to phase that out, but no, it's staying with us because it's an amazing product and cleans glass and shiny surfaces very well. Very streak-free. And one to be labelled, but you'll see the rollout of these spray bottles with the white spray, and this is going to be bleach. And you'll see this on some of the bigger jobs or ones that require oven cleaner. So this is commercial grade by Sally's, and this is highly hazardous as well. So let me just go through a little bit of the hazards. So I'll go over that again. Always with every product, you're using nitrile gloves and eye protection, no exceptions. And the corrosive and flammable products, isopropyl alcohol, we do a 50% mix with this, and it's still flammable at 50%, not just 100%, but obviously not as flammable. So keep it away from naked flames, heat, sparks. And the one that I don't have in here is CitroClean, that's also flammable. So, and be aware of the bleach and the degreaser can be corrosive, so they're the stricter warnings on those. So Tile Plus, Triclinium, CitroClean, and alcohol, the isopropyl alcohol. So ensure that you've got ventilation with where you're going. If you're in the shower, you put the fan on. If you're spraying some degreaser in the kitchen, open a window, put the range hood fan on. So the degreaser, the Olympic serves as a degreaser at stronger strengths. This is 20 to 1 ratio, but you may find a 10 to 1. So wear a mask and make sure you have ventilation. We have got, in a minute. Oh, well, while we're at it, these are pictograms, and they've been put out by WorkSafe Australia. Let's just find the other one. This is an exclamation mark. It's a low-level toxicity. This includes respiratory, skin and eye irritation, skin sensitizers, and chemicals harmful if swallowed, inhaled, or in contact with the skin. All right, this is one that's a little bit more hazardous. So corrosion. This is something is corrosive to the skin, may cause severe skin and eye damage, and may cause corrosion to metals. So, and then we've got the flammable one, which is what's on the isopropyl alcohol, and the Citro Clean. So these are Australian pictograms required by regulation to have these on the labels. Just going to add a little bit more about the safety data sheets. All the safety data sheets for the products that we have with Brush Clean are on Brush Clean website. So you can go to brushclean.com.au/SDS for safety data sheet. So SDS. All right, there was 2 products that I didn't mention at the boot of the car. So that's Quick Clean R, and that's for range hoods. It's a powder. And Quick Clean S. Now Quick Clean S, every caddy's got that one in there. That's our powder where we polish the stainless steel and for rust stains. So both of them are corrosive and can cause very severe eye irritation. So watch out for the warnings on those. Now the range hood, the Quick Clean R for the range hood, Tile Plus, Triclinium, and the oven cleaner are all only to be used by a level 2 or 3 cleaner or someone who's had permission and the specific training to use those. So we will I also need to tell you about the poisons information phone number, and that will be on every product, 131126. So you can always ring a national number 24/7 to assist you if there's been a problem.
Oh, you